Well, my son's friend has some family here near Olympia, so we're taking a little detour to go down one of the roads less traveled and meet some of her family. So here we go, off the road. We were told to pull up behind a black Volvo at the roundabout and flash our high beams, and he would take us to the village. And I have to say, I had my doubts about whether or not it would work out that way, but it's working out exactly like that. He was sitting there waiting, and they have their logistics down in Greece.
This is our son's best friend, Emerson, a proud Greek-American girl. She joined us on our family trip to Greece this past summer. Now, any Greek-American will tell you that means one thing: connecting with family. And lucky for us, Emerson's mom, Anastasia, made sure that happened. After following her uncle through the countryside up to a village that's been their home for generations, we met the family. Cousins, an uncle, and a great aunt Emerson called Yaya. She explained what that Greek term of affection means.
Yaya, it means grandmother in Greek. Like, she is the village Yaya there because she has her limes with lemons. Stamati's wife makes and shakes her own oregano, which is crazy.
The setting was magical. 3 generations of family gathering on a warm summer evening beneath a canopy of lemon and olive trees. It was heaven.
I had not been back to the village house in almost 20 years myself. I have never had the opportunity to bring my daughter to Greece. It meant a lot to me that because I could not return, but she could return for me. Honestly, I was thinking about my uncle and my father, and I felt like they were watching it through my eyes. And I felt that I was able to experience it with her even though I wasn't there. To see her with the people I love and who love her, but she's meeting them for the first time.
What was wild to me was that we were sitting at a table with 3 generations of Greek family.
Yeah.
And she had never met them before, so everybody was sort of meeting each other for the first time. But it didn't feel that way.
No, because that's the way Greeks are. I mean, we just love instantly and we love forever. They're already asking when are you coming back to spend more time?
Well, you know, I'd never met them before, so it was a really big deal for me to be able to meet them.
And a big deal for us too, because you don't often get the chance to experience authentic Greek hospitality. We were supposed to stop here for a quick coffee on our way to the mountains, but that is not the culture here.
Right, we sit down, table is bare, a cake comes out. I think that's the end of it.
No, they brought out this elaborate, huge feast, like portion by portion, one by one, and it was unbelievable.
Did it surprise you though?
I knew they were gonna do that, like, because Greeks are the most hospitable people that you will ever meet. So I knew that they were gonna have some sort of feast,
Right, the idea that we were gonna stop there for coffee and a hello was like not realistic.
No, I knew we would be staying much longer than we planned.
The moment Uncle Stamatis put on a t-shirt and started building a fire in the outdoor kitchen, I knew we were settling in for a Hall of Fame Greek feast. The dish was, of course, pork souvlaki, pretty much the national food of Greece. You'll find grills like this at any village panegyri, but tonight, it'd be Stamatis working the grill. I kept my eyes and nose open for any tips I could take back home.
Wow, there's nothing like a lemon pulled right off the tree. Grandma rolled it out and just sort of tenderized it before she cut it. So the key spice in souvlaki is oregano. Oh, this is fresh oregano. If you're feeling sleepy, take a little whiff of this. So the process for creating this spice involves taking these little buds and rubbing it on the screen here, and it sort of powderizes it and turns it into the powder that you see over there in the pan. My fingers smell so good right now.
And of course, Yaya insisted on a heaping jar to take home with us. Souvlaki skewers are served with bread similar to pita heated on a grill, like a kebab, but don't say that to a Greek. It's simple, as the best things always are. A little lemon to balance out the savory oregano, and it's ready to eat.
I get to try the first souvlaki stick. Whoa. With the lemon. Woo! Yes. What did it mean to you to hang out with them?
One of the most meaningful family experiences I've ever had.
As I watched Stamatis work his magic on the grill, I thought about countless tailgate parties and family barbecues, and I realized sometimes the road less traveled brings you home.
Yaya knows how to cook.